This is not just a shopping mall. This is where luxury, lifestyle, and Bangkok's modern culture collide. Today, I'm taking you inside Siam Paragon, one of the most iconic malls in Thailand. Let me show you why this place is more than just a shopping mall. Located in the heart of Bangkok and directly connected to Siam BTS Station, Siam Paragon is a lifestyle destination from luxury brands and fine dining to premium entertainment and world-class experiences. So what brought you here?
Oh, I just come here to to look around, to work and shopping.
Okay. Yeah.
Because here is a very popular
Place?
shopping mall in Thailand.
True.
One of the biggest.
What would you tell people about this place, especially this mall?
Here is so beautiful. I would like people. When you travel to come to Thailand, I would like the people to come here too. Because when you come here, you will feel happy.
Yeah.
Everywhere is Thailand people is very nice people. They are welcome. They are well welcome and good people.
Okay.
When you come here, you would like to rest.
Yeah,
and,
true.
Shopping or travel around to see.
Yeah, a lot of beautiful places around Thailand. So this is where you get fancy designs when it comes to ladies' designs, when it comes to men's wear, ladies' wear, their bags, and everything. You get it on this floor. A very beautiful place. And as you can see when you look around, you get everything that you want. So this place is it's classy. Yeah. Siam Paragon for you. Yeah. Hi. So guys, I bought my Bella.
To get all kinds of food, Siam Paragon. If you want to eat, you want to watch a movie, whatever you want to do, you can get it in this mall.
Jason, yeah, I'm here with Jason. Jason, where are you from?
California. I left to get away from dumb hate and
Yeah, the chaos and all that stuff.
yeah.
Yeah. So he wants to learn Chi, right? The name is Chi.
Cheat.
Chi. Chi.
Cheat.
Yeah, good. So, it is saying, say it is saying.
That's at the same.
It is saying means,
Saying.
how are you?
How are you?
Yeah, me ho ye. So you will say me ho ye.
Mohe.
Me ho ye.
Man for you.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
So I say it is saying, then you say,
Listen, I do.
I say it is saying, you say me ho ye. It is saying, me ho ye.
Mohe.
Good. It is saying,
At the same.
no, it is saying means, how are you? So I'm going to say, how are you? Then you say, I'm good.
I'm good.
So I'm good is me ho ye.
Mohe.
Okay, so it is saying, me ho ye.
Mohe.
Very good, very good.
Yeah. Yeah, my boy. Let's go.
That's
I'm
Jason.
gonna teach you a handshake. I'm gonna teach you a
Okay,
handshake. So this is the handshake.
wait.
Boom.
Wait. So let's learn the handshake. Okay.
So the handshake's like this,
Okay.
like this, and then when you go like that, and when you hit,
Oh, good. Oh.
so boom,
Okay.
boom. No, wait. Boom,
Uh-huh.
boom, boom, and then when you hit,
Okay. Oh, good. Thank you.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
Yeah,
You're
okay.
welcome.
Nice meeting you.
yeah.
Bye-bye. Oh, so that's Jason. Jason from California. So they have created this thing here where you can just come and sit, relax, and then talk to your friend. So it's like a cinema, an open one. And I do not know if they show movie here. Sawadee Krap. Sawadee Krap. Do they sometimes show movie? Or no movie? I'm like, here, do they sometimes show movie? No movie. What do they show? Adverts? Like things in the mall? Thai culture. Thai culture?
แบดดิ้ง
In the mall? Oh, okay. Okay, thank you.
สะพานก็สะพานจะมีโมเดล
Oh, the model here?
ใช่
Okay. Also, they have some performance. So people sit here and then they watch it.
yes
Oh, good. I never knew they have this thing here. Okay, thank you. Guys, this is really beautiful. And it's an open space. So this is one thing about Thailand. It's especially Bangkok. Like, you can even go out, chill, enjoy yourself without even paying anything. Like when you go out, they have some performances on the streets. You can just sit somewhere, get your drink, sit somewhere, enjoy your drink, and then what you are listening to, like live music. Look at this place. Isn't this amazing? Like the lady said, sometimes people come here just to perform and then others sit here to watch without paying anything. And I've seen even outside too, they do say Bangkok, Thailand. That's what they say, amazing Thailand. This place is amazing, guys. If you have never been to Bangkok, if you have never been to Thailand, try and visit here one day. Oh, okay. So let's look at this place. amazing. Hi guys. What do you think about this place? It's amazing. I've always been to this mall, but I've never come to this side before. This is my first time.
First time?
Coming to this side.
Yes.
And
So beautiful.
it's out of this world.
It's like the third time we come here.
Your first time, right?
No, the third time, but first time at this floor.
Oh, okay. Yeah, your first time at this floor. This is my first time. It's amazing. Thank you.
Your vacation?
What?
Are you on vacation?
No, I live here. So guys, I have my French brothers here. They came from France. And when did you come to Bangkok?
What?
When did you come to Bangkok?
Like a week and a half.
Oh, okay, nice. And have you been to other part of Thailand? Or you have stayed here?
Yeah, Pattaya, but like
Oh, okay. So you love?
Just to check.
Are you loving this place?
yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, it is. It is a very beautiful place. What about this place, Nestopia?
We love it.
It's crazy. It is out of this world.
Like live band, we love it.
It's only in Bangkok that you're gonna have this. Charlie, it's only in Bangkok.
Yes.
You're gonna have place like this.
Bangkok, yeah, Bangkok, I prefer Bangkok.
Yeah.
Where we went, it was like more natural, you know?
Okay.
Like here it's like the city. We love it.
Yeah. This place.
You have a lot of things to do.
True.
Night
True.
and day, you know? Day and night.
And I don't know, I think because they have made the city for foreigners, like they are welcoming people, right? So they always want to create something that will make you happy. Yeah, so that when you go, you're gonna come back.
Always come.
Yeah, Kapun Cup, thank you. Yeah, they are very polite people. Yeah, it is. Thank you for talking to me. Bangkok has so many sides, and Siam Paragon shows the luxury side of the city. If you want to explore more places like this with me, make sure you subscribe. More talent content coming soon.